Hello everyone, so today we have a new world famous online earning website. Its name is Bitcoin. You are already know about this website, so we are just going to take a review on this website. So before that, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. So this is website Bitcoin, the official website, and Bitcoin is an innovative payment network and a new kind of money. Bitcoin offers source P2P money bitcoin.org. This is a official website of Bitcoin. So needs your sports. Also we can see here introductions. In introductions we can see individuals, business, developers, getting started, how it work, and white paper, and some resources, courses, exchanges, community, documentations, vocabulary, events, Bitcoin core, and some innovation and participate, sport Bitcoin, buy Bitcoin, and running a full node development and facts, some frequently asked questions. uh, if you want to get started with Bitcoin, you just click on this option, choose your wallet. So before that you need to best wallet for the hold this cryptocurrencies in the wallet. So I have a MetaMask extension in my Chrome browser. You need to add your MetaMask extension in your Chrome browser, and if you want to get on Android, you want to download from Play Store. So another wallet is Trust Wallet. So and what is Bitcoin, you can also check here and get a quick overview for individuals learn more, and businesses and developer learn more. Get started with Bitcoin. Bitcoin uses peer-to-peer technology to operate with no central authority or banks managing transactions, and the issuing of Bitcoins is carried out collectively by the network. Bitcoin is open source. It's designed in public. Nobody owns or controls Bitcoin, and everyone can take part. Through many of its unique properties, Bitcoin allows existing users that could not be covered by any previous payment system, and fast peer-to-peer transactions, worldwide payments, low processing fees, and get started with Bitcoin. So here we go. This was a little bit review of this website. So support them, click here to donate the bitcoin.org. Here is a link. So also you can, in the shortcut, you can check some individuals in introductions, business, developers. So we just going to take a little bit review of white paper. So this is a white paper of this website. Also you can download in English, in original. So some more languages we can see here, and Satoshi Nakamoto's original paper is still recommended reading for anyone studying how Bitcoin works. Choose which translation of the paper you want to try. So after that, when you download this white paper and read all the white paper of Bitcoin, you can able to earn passive income from there, and also you can check the resources. If you want to donate, make a donation, you just click on this option. So this was a little bit review of this website. If you are interested in our content, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. Thanks for watching.